This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Front struts replacement. Apply the parking brake. Chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Loosen the front wheel lug nuts, then raise the front of the vehicle by jacking under the front crossmember and supporting it on jack stands. Remove the appropriate front wheel. Free the ABS wheel speed sensor harness from its retaining clip on the body. Then detach the harness from the bracket on the strut. On models with electrical ride control, unplug the electrical connector for the strut and free the harness clip from the strut bracket. Disconnect the stabilizer bar link from the strut. Remove the bolt and detach the brake hose from the strut bracket. On models with electrical ride control, detach the height sensor rod from the ball stud on the control arm. Mark the relationship of the strut to the steering knuckle. These marks will be used during installation to ensure the camber is returned to its original setting. Support the outer end of the control arm with a floor jack. Remove the nuts from the strut to knuckle bolts. Remove the rubber cap from the strut damper shaft, then unscrew the damper shaft nut and remove the strut upper mount. Remove the strut to steering knuckle bolts. Separate the strut from the knuckle, then maneuver the strut from the fender well. Guide the strut assembly up into the fender well and align the assembly in the shock tower. Once the assembly is in the shock tower, install the upper mount and mounting nut so the strut won't fall back through. Slide the steering knuckle into the strut flange and insert the two bolts. Install the nuts and tighten them hand tight, aligning the marks made previously. Tighten the strut to steering knuckle nuts and the strut upper mounting nut to the specified torque settings. On models with electrical ride control, reconnect the height sensor rod to the ball stud on the control arm. Reconnect the ABS wheel speed sensor harness to its retaining clip on the body and to its bracket on the strut. Reconnect the stabilizer bar link, brake hose, and, on models so equipped, the electronic ride control harness to the strut. Tighten the brake hose bolt securely and the stabilizer bar link to the specified torque setting. Repeat this procedure for the remaining front strut. Install the front wheel and lug nuts. Lower the vehicle to the ground and tighten the wheel lug nuts to the specified torque setting. Unblock the wheels.